Hi all. He ordered steak. She chose chicken. It's not what you think. Stop trying to impress her. You don't need a steakhouse to win her heart. This is Nell Solo Mom, and today we are going to talk about something very simple, very small, but very powerful. Forget the steakhouse, she will order pork or chicken. And if you don't understand what that means, you don't understand Filipino culture yet. Let me tell you something, especially to the retirees watching me, especially the foreign men coming to the Philippines thinking, if I take her to the most expensive restaurant, I win. No. Sometimes the more you try to impress her, the more uncomfortable she becomes. Let's paint the picture. He is 62, recently divorced, retired military. He has pension, social security, maybe VA benefits. He's not broke. He wants to show he can provide. So he books the steakhouse, big leather chairs, imported wine list, 600 peso mashed potatoes, and she's 26. She grew up eating tinola, adobo, grilled pork, chicken barbecue outside on the street with friends. She opens the menu, says 2,800 ribeye. Her heart sinks. She's not impressed. She's nervous. She whispers, maybe I'll just order chicken. And he thinks she doesn't know quality. But what she's really thinking is, I don't want him to think I'm expensive. That's culture. Filipinas, especially province girls, are raised differently. Many grew up sharing meals, stretching food, thinking about family first. Ordering the most expensive item fails selfies even if she likes you, even if she's attracted to you. She doesn't want to appear greedy. Foreigners misread this all the time. They think she's simple, easy. No, she's cautious. There's a difference. Some men believe expensive restaurant means a serious man, but sometimes expensive restaurant is pressure. You know what impresses her more? Consistency, calling when you say you will, listening, not talking about your pension on the first date. And let me say this gently. If you constantly talk about money, she starts wondering, is that all you offer? Age gap relationships are delicate. He brings security. She brings youth. But what she's really looking for? Emotional safety. And emotional safety does not come with a steak knife. It comes with patience. You don't need Wagyu beef. You need emotional maturity. If she orders chicken or pork, it might mean she's practical. She doesn't want to burden you. She's testing your reaction. She values comfort over status. Watch carefully. Does she thank the waiter politely? Does she ask about your food? Does she offer to share? Those are bigger signs than what's on her plate. Now, let's be real. If she orders lobster, steak, wine, dessert, and asks for takeout for her cousin, that's different. We're not blind, but many good Filipinos feel embarrassed ordering expensive meals. Especially on the first date, don't mistake modesty for lack of sophistication. You know what she remembers? Not the steak. She remembers, did you make her feel respected? Did you talk down to her? Did you compare her to Western women? Did you act like you were rescuing her or partnering with her? That's what she remembers, so forget the steakhouse. If she orders pork or chicken, smile, let her relax. Because sometimes the girl who chooses the simple meal is the one who will stand beside you when life is not fancy anymore. And that is priceless. This is Nell Solo Mom. If you learned something today, like, share, and subscribe because relationships are not about steak, they are about substance. See you next episode.